So here in the hills of Arkansas, it seemed like Sunday dinner always consisted of some kind of chicken, whether it be fried chicken, chicken and dumplings, chicken and dressing, or your simple roasted chicken. There was always chicken on the table. So today, I'm going to show y'all my simple Sunday roasted chicken recipe. It's good and it's simple. So what you're going to need is just a good, this is an old roasting pan. It's a deep one too, and it has a lid. You can use any kind of roasting pan. I've got olive oil in the bottom, and I'm going to put 4 sticks, 5 sticks maybe, whatever you got, of celery. I'm just going to lay it on the bottom. And I'm going to put me some carrots. Not only is this going to make a really good broth and good for your gravy afterwards, but it's going to help. I'm going to lay my chicken on top of all this. It's going to kind of hold it up off the bottom of the roasting pan. And I'm going to put some big chunked up onions on the bottom because they're going to cook down. And that's going to help hold your chicken up too, and it's going to flavor it. We're going to start out by making a really good smear to put on top of that chicken. And I've got 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I've got probably about a teaspoon, a little less than a teaspoon of lemon zest. That lemon zest is going to be really good on that chicken. Lemon and chicken go really good together. And we just got a few more ingredients we're going to add. We're going to add a good 1.5 teaspoons of dried thyme. And I've got some parsley from the garden, some dried parsley. We're going to put a teaspoon of that. We're going to put some pepper and some salt. And we're just going to put, probably, I don't know, there's probably about a little over a teaspoon of lemon juice that I'll get out of this half a lemon. We're just going to put that in there because we're going to end up putting the whole lemon in the carcass of the chicken anyways. I'm adding about a 1/2 cup of olive oil. And that is our smear that's going to go on the chicken. And this, we're going to rub this just all over the outside of the chicken. And I've got my oven, it's heating at 400 degrees. So let's get our chicken ready. Okay, we got a roasting pan already. I've washed my chicken. And I think I'm going to take the chicken neck and the gizzard, and I'm going to place it down in here with my veggies. And this is just going to really give your broth a good taste, and especially if you're going to be making gravy afterwards. So now we're going to place our chicken in here, and I'm just going to place it upside down at first because I want to rub some of that good smear all over her little back. So we're just going to pour a little bit on top and just kind of rub it around, massage her little back. We're going to turn her over. And we're just going to pour the rest of it over the top. And we're just going to rub this all over too and just kind of massage it all over that skin. And it gives the roasted chicken just a really good taste. And that's just about as easy. Now you can use any kind of seasoning that you like on your roasted chicken. We're going to put the lemon in there. And lemon's optional. If you don't have one, you don't have to use it. And I've got some more rosemary of the garden I'm just going to put in there. And she's ready. She's ready for a 400 degree oven, for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, our chicken's cooked at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And now we're going to put the lid on and we're going to cook it at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. That 15 minutes that we done at 400 degrees, what it does, it just kind of traps in them juices. So 350 for an hour and a half. Our chicken is cooked at 350 for an hour and a half. So what I'm going to do now is I'm taking the lid off and I turn my oven back up to 400 degrees. Now at this point my chicken has temped at 203, so it's done. And we're going to let it roast at 400 degrees for 15 more minutes to get a crisp skin on the outside. Okay, with the lid off and 15 more minutes at 400 degrees, she is done and her skin is really crispy. So let's get her plated up. I hope y'all liked this recipe. I enjoyed being with y'all again today. This is just another simple Sunday dinner. The 2 hours that you cook it just makes it juicy and tender. The 15 minutes before on 400 just locks in them juices, and the 15 minutes afterwards gives it a crispy skin. Thank y'all so much. We love y'all. And God bless.